How gorgeous is this room? This is gonna be my room for the week. Sam is the cutest. And look at the best part. I can go right outside to the pool. Oh my God, look at that. I wanna lay in that right now. So pretty. I have my luggage here. I feel like I overpacked, but what else is new? I look so disgusting, you guys. Oh my God, like you can see my self-tanner has worn off of my face. I look so disgusting. It was a long flight. It was a 6-hour flight. I'm exhausted. I have to do an emo right now, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower and we're gonna have like a chill day for the rest of the day because I am super tired. Do you guys see this lighting? This is the kind of lighting I need in my life every day. I need to move here. Let's see if we catch Sam. Look at her. She's doing a home tour right now. By the time you guys see this vlog, her home tour video will be up. So I'm not gonna show you guys everything. You guys are just gonna get this little sneak peek. But look at my little editing buddies. This is Wyatt. Cutest little boy. And this is Harper. Just so cute. I am trying to upload a video right now. Hi.
Hi.
Isn't this like the sweetest thing? She had a robe for me.
Yes, robes are the best.
They really are. This one is really comfortable.
Yeah, that's a good one. We're gonna watch Shane.
Oh yeah, we're gonna watch a little YouTube now.
Look at how he's like the first on my thing.
I love that. We're having a chill rest of the day. I feel like these are the best days, honestly. The lighting here is so good. Like every angle.
Especially if you stand in front of that window. Oh my gosh, that's a selfie window. Hi guys.
Hi. We just came back from a butt workout.
And it was
what is it called? Bandu?
Bunda.
Bunda. Oh my God. I was like, how long? In the middle of the class, I'm like, how long is this class? I thought it was only 30 minutes and it was an hour long, and it's so intense but so good for the booty. So good for the booty.
Tomorrow's workout's 30 minutes.
Okay, yeah, tomorrow we're doing another workout. I'm so glad Sam kind of has like the same schedule as me. Like we wake up, we go work out, and now I feel good. Like I'm ready to start the day.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
And then just get it over with.
Yeah, I like to do it first thing in the morning. And
should we do a haul?
Yeah, let's do a haul.
Chopped a little. So first we got a keto smoothie.
Yes. At a really cute place. I should have vlogged in there.
And then I got a really basic thing, a bralette.
That's cute though. I like that idea how you said how you put it.
When things are like off the shoulder, but you don't want like a big bulky bra, you just put on this.
And I got this cute little bag.
Which I want to copy her and get it too.
You should have gotten it. Why didn't you tell me? Oh, you can wear like multiple ways.
Wait, you can even make it a fanny pack.
Oh my God, you can. Okay, you need to get this bag. So you can wear it multiple ways, like a long bag, a little small one, fanny pack style.
What do you do with this when you do the small? Or
I think you can keep it in there because I didn't even see this when I got it. Remember? I just held it like this. And then there's a bigger strap too.
Because I only, for your belt.
This was such a good little steal.
Because I love teeny tiny bags.
Me too.
I'm not
That's
a
my
big
thing.
bag person anymore.
Little bags.
Just fit your phone. Or
oh, she gave me a sheet that says like all the different ways you can wear it. Oh my God, this you can wear as a belt alone.
That's an economical bag.
6 different ways. 6 different ways you can wear the bag. Wow.
How much was it?
42.
So perfect.
That was pretty good. And this is the store, William B.
There's a few of them in LA. Such cute stuff.
It's such a cute little store. I'm glad I got this bag. Probably wear it tonight. Guys, we are ready for the rest of this day. Seriously, I cannot get over this view. It's so pretty. I'm about to go sit right there. Lighting is so much better on this side. We're at Earth Cafe right now. Waiting for our food. I can't wait.
How cute is your Joby? Mine's down to here.
I have a bigger one, but since we were gonna be out walking, I was like, let me just bring my little one. I think I got it from over here. I have like so many little gadgets, and
Melissa taught me how to YouTube. I'm like your first student.
What?
You did.
No, I didn't.
You did. I remember hitting 6,000 subscribers in your car.
Yes.
And before that, I had
so
like
exciting.
2,000, and like you would tell me, you'd be like, you just have to keep being consistent.
No, but I feel like I learned a lot from her also. Because I like how before I used to just upload randomly and she had a schedule.
Yeah.
And she's like, you just have to like pick a day, and if somebody asks you to do something, like stick to it. Like no.
Yeah.
And that's how when I started doing that.
Like, because I feel like it's helpful for you guys watching, like the audience, but then it also keeps the creators on a schedule.
On a schedule, yeah.
Because then it's just like, because you could go weeks without, like if you didn't have a schedule, couldn't you go weeks without filming?
Yeah, because then you're just like, oh, I don't really have to post anything. Yeah. And I like having a schedule. Like that just works for me.
Thursdays and what?
Tuesday, Thursdays, and Sundays.
Oh, damn, great.
Don't you do
I
Thursdays?
do not anymore.
No?
I made, so what I do now is longer videos,
Okay.
but only 2 days a week. So
I like that.
Yeah.
So Sam is giving me a tour of like all her favorite places. So we went to Earth Cafe today. Now we're at Restoration Hardware, and wait, which way are we going?
This way.
Okay.
And believe it or not, it's a furniture store, but this is where people hang
It's
out.
a furniture store where you could literally come and hang out. You can
They
do
can
your
use
work.
their Wi-Fi.
Isn't that amazing? Like I would just be so happy if I could come and do my work here with this view. Wait till I show you the view.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I love how it's like,
I feel like I look blonder here.
you do.
Like I look so blonde in LA.
The sun.
The light, yeah.
Tonight there's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more. Oh, I feel it tonight. There's something inside that I can't ignore. Oh, I feel it tonight. That look in your eyes got me begging for more.
This morning, I have to show you guys our before and afters. This before our glow up later.
This is a week-old blowout.
This isn't even a week old. Look how crispy my hair is. It's disgusting.
It's because we sweat, we worked out, and now you could like break our ends off.
We're on our way to get a blowout right now.
We don't want to be
Thank
crispy.
God. I know. Just got our blowouts. Look at how bouncy our hair is.
I feel like I'm walking in slow motion. I just need makeup.
Look at how it just bounces like as you walk.
I know. And a real outfit.
Oh my god. I feel so good. I thought my hair was never gonna look good again.
And it looks fabulous.
She did such a good job. Hi, I'm back. So after our blowouts, we got breakfast, and then I had to go to a lunch meeting, which I just got back from, so I haven't been vlogging throughout the day. And Sam just makes me so comfortable. I've been living in this robe all week. All week. I feel like I've been here like 2 weeks and it's only been like 3 days. I'm like, I've been here all week in this.
I know.
And now we're gonna have a little, what do we call this? Just like a relaxing, girly.
Yeah, we want to find like a cool movie.
Yeah, like something girly to watch.
Or like action drama.
Like sociopaths.
Yeah.
Kind of stuff.
Exactly.
I saw that on the plane. My next guest,
What is?
Kanye. No, my next guest with David Letterman, Kanye West.
It was good.
Yeah, it was good. I bet. Where's the moon? Oh. We came outside to look at the moon, guys.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my god, it looks pretty. It is. Oh, I hate that the cameras like won't pick up the actual moon, guys. In person, so much better. Hello. Vlogging the moon. That's what you can expect on my channel. Vlogging the moon. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you guys so much for joining me on my trip so far. We still have more to go, but I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you for watching the vlog so far. My trip is not over, so stay tuned for the rest. Bye.